In this video, we will be going through the Setup tab. How to set up your event. Firstly, enter the event details. At the Setup tab, select Event Details from the left-hand side menu. Enter the event name, event venue, and select the plan type and corresponding event start date and event end date. If you have selected the standard plan, you will only be able to select one event date. If you have selected the Pro plan, you may select up to 2 consecutive event days. If you have selected the Premium plan, you may select up to 7 consecutive event days. Choose the event time zone. You will also need to select the primary app color and the secondary app color. Next, upload the event logo, and you may use the cropping function to resize and position the image. Once you have cropped the image, click on the Crop and Save button to save the changes. You may also upload splash screen images and use the cropping function to resize and position the images. Once you have cropped the images, click on the Crop and Save button to save the changes. After you have added all the event details, click the Save button to save all the details you have just added. Secondly, you may add tracks to your event app. If your event has a large number of sessions, or if you have multiple sessions running at the same time, creating tracks will enable your event attendees to easily find the sessions that are relevant to them. To add a track, at the Setup tab, select Tracks from the left-hand side menu. Click on the New Track button. Enter the track name, and if necessary, select the track icon. You may either select a track icon from the icon set or upload your own track icon. You may also select the icon color if you wish to. Click the Add Track button to save your selections. You may add multiple event tracks. Using the drag and drop function, you may change the position of the tracks according to how you would like them to appear in your event app. Thirdly, you may add categories. This includes categories for sponsors, exhibitors, and speakers. To add a sponsor category, at the Setup tab, select Categories from the left-hand side menu and select the Sponsor tab. Click the Add Category button. Enter the category name and click the Add Category button to save it. You may add multiple sponsor categories. Using the drag and drop function, you may reorder the position of the sponsor categories. This will determine how the order of the sponsor categories will be displayed in your event app. To add an exhibitor category, at the Setup tab, select Categories from the left-hand side menu and select the Exhibitor tab. Click the Add Category button. Enter the category name and click the Add Category button to save it. You may add multiple exhibitor categories. Using the drag and drop function, you may reorder the position of the exhibitor categories. This will determine how the order of the exhibitor categories will be displayed in your event app. To add a speaker category, at the Setup tab, select Categories from the left-hand side menu and select the Speaker tab. Click the Add Category button. Enter the category name and click the Add Category button to save it. You may add multiple speaker categories. Using the drag and drop function, you may reorder the position of the speaker categories. This will determine how the order of the speaker categories will be displayed in your event app. And that's it for the Setup tab. You have now completed the event setup.